Alright, what's good? Good morning, you guys. Let me know if you can hear me. I'm not having no camera on because I can't sit down. So we're just gonna be nothing but charts. But I mean, regardless, I have somebody working construction outside of my room. So if you hear any banging, that's what it is. But if you can hear me good, just let me know. Por favor. What's up? Good morning, fam. What's up, Rob? What's up, Gamer? What's up, D? So we got YM already running. Let's get straight to action over here. We already have this shit running, so um, we're gonna do some charting and see what we can find. Well, obviously we got supported right here. When did I drew this? I think I drew this yesterday or the day before. Sure, construction. What's up, Mark? Yeah, I forgot when I drew this, but it was sometime this week that I drew it. Obviously, this is a valid zone of support. We have resistance up here. I drew this the other day, so we're coming right back to test it. We still got some room to run. Let me see if I can find, let me zoom in on the 15 minutes, see if I can find something a little bit more closer as a resistance, probably maybe where we are, because I like to zoom in onto the market like in a microscope. Um, Obviously, what I see already is here, 1, 2, 3. Dude, my mouse is acting up. 4, and right here as well. So this right here, I guess you can say it's where we're at currently. So we're gonna mark it like right around there. So right here, we're gonna mark it right there. So this could be like a little valid area of resistance right there. So we're close to it. Let's go back here and turn everything on again. We're approaching it. So obviously we already ran. I'm assuming this big candle here, 830, was data. Yes, 830, 830. So we have industrial and capacity, 9:15, 10 a.m. business inventory. So we have in about, oh no, we already had it. Okay, so 10 a.m. we have business inventories. We have one more set of data at 10 a.m. Um, so yeah, there's nothing to do right now. There's absolutely nothing to do right now. The move was already made here in pre-market and ran it up to market open. So there is nothing to do. Um, the only way I would enter a trade, um, it would unfortunately would have to be a counter trend trade, unless a trade with trend presents itself. But I don't see that happening, because we have right here on Excel, it's pointing up, but it's straight. And usually, every time Excel starts flatlining and going straight, eventually price action is going to cross it to the other side. And it's better to enter Excel when it's in a curve, just in my personal experience. So right here, we're already approaching resistance right here on this level. Can you guys hear that? Because there's a fucking saw outside running. So I don't know if you can hear it. You can? Hey, fuck it. You're gonna have to work with it. I wasn't gonna stream today at all. Um, but I decided last minute to do it. I was like, fuck it, why not? Hear what? I can't hear you over the saw. Oh, you can't hear us out? Okay, good. Well, I guess some people can hear it and some people can't. So look at that, bro. Look at that rejection, that resistance, bro. I'm telling you right now, bro. I am so fucking good at plotting levels, bro. Bro, I am spot on every single time, bro. Every single time I'm spot on, bro. Look at that. Bro, I top ticked it and it got instantly rejected. That is fucking fire, bro. That's fucking fire. So we have a resistance right here. So we're still gonna wait. What's up, Jerry? Good morning. Yeah, gamer. Unless you have experience trading counter trends, I don't think you should. What time frame do you grab your levels from? I grab them from the 1 hour, the 15, the 30 minute. What's up, Adnir? Yeah, I grab my levels from multiple time frames. I don't discriminate. I go on every single time frame to see what's up. So let's pull up the EMAs. So we have the 200 EMA on the 30 minute right there on top of that level. So you can, if we approach here, obviously we're gonna see price resistance on that 200 EMA, but we're already having resistance right here on this level. So price action has to fight between this area right here to keep pushing forward. If you go on the 1 hour, we're above the 48. We're bullish, but we still got some room to run on the 200. So probably the only immediate things that I'm looking at is the 30 minute and the 15 minute. On the 15 minute, we should be above the 200. Yeah, we're above the 200. So right now the immediate trend is to the upside. We do have got rejected and it's coming back on down. I hear the saw now, fly buzzing around. Yeah, yeah. So if you're trading the 5 minute, just focus on the 5 minute. But I use the other time frames. I use them as reference. I never use them as gospel. If you're trading one time frame, that's what you're trading, and that's what you're trading only. Um, Regardless of what the other time frames are telling you, you don't allow that to dictate that into your trades. You just use them as reference to see where we are on trends. Right now, the immediate trend is to the long side, and then I got this level right here on the 15 and 30 minute. That's where I got it from. And then, of course, you could see it reacting right there. Price pushed down, and now it's coming down here, waiting to see if it can push it back up. But I'm not entering on it yet, unless we have price action crossing XL again, then I'll enter. But right here, there's nothing to trade. Yeah, it's one of those mornings that we're just sitting on our hands pretty much. Let me take a look at what MES is doing, and what everything else is doing. So MES, okay, we broke down on MES. Okay, so right here on XL, it's already curving to come on down. So yeah, price action could hold on 24 EMA and bounce back up. But once you see XL, this smooths out price action. Once you see it do that curve and come over to turn, price is going down, bro. But of course, price action reacts faster. It's always going to react faster. All XL does is smooth the price action. But once you see it flatlining here and curving, it's going to go the opposite way. I'll wait until after 7 a.m. to sit on my hands. Damn, bro. What fucking time is it over there? Let's take a look at MNQ. MNQ is already coming on down. See, this is what I mean right here. We have XL crossing down. So you can expect price action coming down. Let's go ahead and look at the Russell. So same concept. It already died down, but price action reacts faster and it's coming on up. If you go back to 653 California. Oh damn, you're early, bro. Oh, you're in Cali here too? Y'all up early. Yeah, we got YM popping. We got YM popping. Breaking past that, then you have a level up here. So congrats on that. Thanks for the MYM tip. No problem, bro. I can see you're making money off of me. But I don't see a setup that I like, so I can't really trade it. I can't really trade it. And there's probably nothing to trade here for me as of yet. It's going to be quite some time for a setup of mine to pop up. So I might have to switch to something else. Maybe the Russell, but it's getting a price reaction here on XL. Um, so I don't really like that setup. Possibly MES. I'll buy you a beer when I see you. I'll take that. So let me take a look at MES. MES is popping off again. We do have data at 10 a.m. So regardless, I mean, we have 5 minutes to go till data, so I'll wait till then. to execute any type of trade. Yeah, I won't be surprised if the market decides to push higher after this data, trying to recover from that fucking horrible week that we had. I really don't. I would not be surprised if that happens at all. Well, is anybody else trading anything, or we're all just sitting on our hands waiting until 10 a.m.? Getting ready for MES setup? Eh, I don't really see a setup there. What do you see? Tell me what do you see, gamer? I want to see through your eyes. I've been using a 2-minute chart for my setups and find it works great for MNQ and MYM as well. And the 5-minute for MES is pretty solid as well for setup, just my approach. Um yeah, I do the same thing too, Mark. I do the same thing too. I look at the trend on the 5 and I trade off the 2. So uh, I just find it easier for me because of it's it's a tighter risk. You can get in and out faster. It's just my opinion, but I still have the 5-minute up for the trend, and I like to see it how it looks because 5-minute is pretty much king. So let's go back to MYM. We'll stick here. Let's see if price action comes back down or pops up when this data comes out. You took 1.5% on MYM. Nice, Jesse. Good for you. Good for you. All right, we got 20 seconds left. I don't, to be honest, I don't even think this data is big. I really don't. I could be wrong. I could be wrong because I never heard of anything of any data. But what's the data? Business inventories. Does anybody really care about that? I don't think so. And see, I knew it. There's like no reaction to the market with that data at all. We had zero reaction. Yeah, so we have MNQ heading on up. Ugh. I kind of wanted to stick with MYM, but if it's not showing anything, then what's the point of trading it if it's not showing nothing? If not, I might have to wait for MNQ. We have MNQ popping. It's just so overbought. I mean, I wouldn't expect so much from it at all. I mean, probably like a 101 maybe. Go send the market already. I wish. Um, yeah, Jess, I don't think it's a data mover at all. So we have MNQ popping up. I don't really like this setup because we're so overbought. And even if I take it, it'll be like up to here maybe at the top of pre-market high. I just don't I just don't see nothing too good on it, to be honest with you. And here, I love to preach that you know, why take setups that you don't like and force anything? I really don't have nothing to prove. So I really don't need to force nothing. If I don't like it, I don't like it. But I don't know. We'll see. It could change. It could definitely change. And take a look at MES instead. I like. I kind of like this MES play. So this MES play might do it for me. Okay, now we're moving. Now we're moving. Okay. So we ran up a lot. I know that we ran up a lot. So I'm just gonna look for a 1-to-1. Let me see if I can pull back a little bit more. If it leaves without me, well, then so be it. Let me see if I can get a tiny pullback. So here, 64 ticks. Let me see. That's a 101. 64 ticks is a lot. So let me see if I can get a 101. I'm not really looking for too much at all on MES, to be honest with you, because it ran up so much. I don't expect much out of this move. I really don't. Oh, wait, I got one contract in. Let me. So, so I'm in two contracts. Let's see if I can get a 101. Not looking for too much. Bro, how do you not realize you're paper trading, bro? How do you not realize you're paper trading? It's too late, bro. Don't Yeah, bro. Don't even trade, bro. Like you already did your trade and you thought you made money. That was your dopamine hit for the day. You cannot come back like a crackhead, bro. You can't. So trend is still strong right here. We're gonna cut some risk, maybe, or I might leave it. I don't know yet. We are very oversold. We are very oversold. So I am, yeah. We'll see how price action reacts here. If I don't like it, I'll cut out my risk. Because like I said, we're so overbought. I don't expect such a huge move on MES. we're super overbought. So I didn't really expect a lot from this play whatsoever. You thought you were logged in a trade evade? Well, at least you got tomorrow. At least you got tomorrow. Don't do what? Cut my risk? Oh no, I'm a cut my risk if I don't like it, bro. Like right now, this shit has limp dick. It has limp dick right now. I need some Viagra. So here, this a play that I already don't like because it's already showing weakness. I don't when Exa right here is it's pointing straight. I don't really like those moves. I don't expect bigger moves like that when price action looks like this. I don't know. Oh, no gamer to trade live chasing. Nah, you don't chase, bro. You don't chase. Yeah, so we're gonna cut some risks. We're gonna put 250. We're gonna put our risk right there because this shit's gonna knife down. I can see this shit knifing down, bro. This was a bad play. Yeah, that's how you definitely fuck around and find out. Yeah, this is this. Yeah. See, I already knew this was gonna happen. That's why I did not expect such a big move right here. This shit is definitely gonna hit my stop loss. But I don't know. We'll see. It's also another reason why I don't like trading MES because I'm actually I actually trade really bad with MES. See if I can cut my risk up to there. I'm gonna start choking this play right here. Start choking it right there. Try to get a one-on-one and target up here to this level. My risk reward is a 1.04, so very small risk reward. Like I said, I don't expect more than a 1R on a move like this. I really don't. And especially with this shit nose diving on the RSI, it's not looking favorable whatsoever. So the band right here, it's holding it up. But technically we're still bullish, so at least I cut some of my risk, to be honest. At least I cut some of my risk. Alright, deuce gamer. Deuces. Let's see if we can make a comeback. Yeah, near. Okay. We're almost back to break even, but still, price is looking kind of weak. I do know that with MES, I just have to be patient with it. 5304.75, possibly. There possibly is a resistance level there. That's why you have to do your analysis before you trade shit. So I kind of went in blind here. Um, Still looking weak. I'm gonna cut more risk right there. So now we're at a 1.19. So I'm choking the shit out of this play. I don't think this is gonna work out at all. I really don't, but I'm gonna leave my stop there. But on the smaller time frame, like on the 2 minute, we are losing strength. Come on, MES. MES is literally watching paint dry, literally. That's why another reason why I don't like trading it. Okay. Now I'm in profit. Now I'm not in profit. This is so painful to watch. It's a little bit more risk right here. So I'm targeting 53.16. That's what I'm targeting. That's my target right there, 53.16. Randy, it'll go now. I took the small gain. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, we still have some price strength on it. I don't expect much at it at all. I'm gonna choke it even more. Put my stop right underneath the wick of this one candle right here. So now we're looking at a 1.5 here. So as time progresses and as price action progresses, I'm cutting that risk. I'm cutting, 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 cutting. Especially on plays that I don't like. Especially on plays that I don't like, I will not be scared to cut risk at all. So now I'm in profit and just fucking fighting around there. So at this point, put my risk even more. Addicting as fuck. What's addicting? So I'm gonna cut even more. Bro, I am gonna cut as much risk I possibly can, bro. I'm gonna cut as much risk as I possibly can. What's up, DC fan? Fair value gap at 5309. We're close to it. We're close to it. Like I said, we're price is progressing, so we're gonna keep cutting that risk. I will choke the shit out of this shit. I do not care. So we're up 48 bucks right here. Not too bad. I can leave in profit now. I can. I could leave in profit now. What do you guys think? Should I let it hit my stop? I mean, my take profit, or should I just fucking take the money? What do you guys think? We're just money. We're just gonna take the money. So 57 bucks. And if it hits my take profit, I will be so mad. I will be so mad. But between my two accounts, 57 57, so made 114 on this play. You're clear. Ah, too late now, bro. Too late now. Fuck that, bro. I just took it. Between my two accounts, I'm up 114 bucks. So I'm good, bro. I'm good. I already didn't like the play to begin with. That's one. Second, I don't like playing MES. That's second. Third, I've cut my wrist so much, and we've already ran so much, and I'm in profit. I'm not gonna fuck around and find out. I'm just gonna fucking take that shit, bro. One and done, per usual. One and done per usual. So it's all good. At the end of the day, 114 bucks, not too bad. Not too bad. That's a full day's worth of work in Wendy's, I think. Besides, technically, I took my take profit like right here. So technically, I got a 1.5 out of this because the more you start cutting your risk, the more this risk to reward ratio changes. And then now you got a big ass wick right here, selling pressure, because we're so overbought. If I would have put my stops at break even, I would have been almost about to get stopped out right now, or would have get stopped. I don't know if I moved it or not, but I was about to get stopped right here, and then I would be like, "Oh my god, I should have just took the money." this is exactly what um this is exactly what I was telling you guys, that you know it comes to a point where, do you want to be greedy or do you want to be green? Do you have two decisions to make? Do you want to be greedy or do you want to be green? Right here, let's just say I would have been stopped out by now, and then I would have been left with nothing, and I could have just been like, "Oh, I should have just took the money. Damn." So, I decided to take the money, bro. Uh, most ain't made shit. Yeah. Uh, what did you tell me, Randy? Did you tell me something before? I don't know what you told me. Don't go now. I took the small gain. Oh, okay. About it running? Yeah, it did run. It did run. So there you go. One and done. One and done. I'm not my goal, and it should be your guys' goal too. To less stress with money in your hands. Like, absolutely. I would go after I took the small, it would go yeah. 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 I know. Hey man, at least you're green, Randy. At least you're green. Try trading like see, look, right now, look at that. I would have been stopped out. And then I would have been fucking complaining to you guys saying that, fuck, why didn't I take the money? You have to use context clues, bro. Here are the context clues for you to realize how much a play can theoretically run. We are so oversold. We're at 82 on the RSI. Here currently, we are on 75. We're still super oversold. From here to here, the market has moved so much. That's number one. Number two, right here on XL, smooths out price. The moment you see it go straight and flatline, that's when you know that price action is losing steam. When XL starts curving, that's when price action moves stronger. So you have to use those context clues on theoretically how much a play could run. Why not enter at the candle once it was above XL? You talking about right here? Because it didn't meet my criteria yet. It didn't meet my criteria. I enter on the 2 minute chart. And on that time frame, it doesn't meet my criteria yet. It met my criteria at this candle right here. So just because that's why I use multiple confluences on how I trade. But yeah, like I was saying, your guys' goal should be, you know, well, at least for the type of trader that I am, I'm just trying to do one trade and just be done and just continue on with my day and just stack up those wins day by day by day by day by day. As the saying goes, I don't fear the man that does 10,000 kicks. I fear the man that does one kick for the next 10,000 days, and that's what I'm doing. One kick, one kick, one kick, one kick for the next 10,000 days. Eventually, I'm gonna be compounding. Um, Once I get my first payout through Apex, I am gonna push the needle on my 250K account. I just want to secure my first payout. Once I get my first payout, I will push the needle here and play, because I play 2 micros all the time. I'm pushing the needle to 4, maybe 5 micros. 5 is pushing it, but I can do 4. So that's where I'll be making a little bit more money. And I have a track record that I'm profitable to push the needle on this. I'm Because I have to. I need to pay myself back from trading, so I'm gonna push the needle just a little bit on my bear account. Not yet though. Not yet. So far, we're still gonna be taking these small little gains, but it's all about stacking. Once my requirements get there, I will start pushing the needle on funded accounts, because using funded accounts, it sucks when you're a beginner. It sucks, to be honest. If you're a beginner trader and you don't have a lot of experience, I don't really recommend prop firms. But once you're experienced and you have a track record of being profitable, that's when you have that risk reward factor and that leverage in your favor, and then start using that as a vehicle to start getting paid. So once I build up my track record a little bit more, probably next month, I'm probably gonna give it another 30 days trading small, and then I'm start pushing the needle. But yeah, guys, that was it. That was it. Um, that's pretty much it for the day. We made money, and that is all. And some of you guys made money too. I know some of you guys made money on MYM. Good for you. Some of you made money on MES. So MYM kept popping up. None of this met my criteria. The thing about MYM, once it pops, it just keeps going and it's hard to catch. So if you're not there to catch MYM, there's no point of trading it. You might as well trade something else. And I think I much rather would have traded the Russell, because it moves just a little bit faster than MES. No, this is all noise. So I guess the best option right there would have been MES. So whatever, it is what it is. That's why I have three tickers that I trade. For my go-to is MYM. It used to be MNQ, but MNQ, I think it's a little too fucking big for me. So I'll choose the medium spicy of MYM, M2K, and then my last choice is MES. So there we go. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Jess. I'm glad you guys got paid off MOM. That makes me happy to hear that. I'm helping people out. All right, I'm out of here. I think we've been here for like an hour. All right, guys, stay la vie. Tomorrow I'm not streaming because tomorrow is trade cam, and tomorrow I finally meet Gabe. You're welcome, Rob. Yeah, tomorrow I finally meet Gabe. So we'll see. We'll see what I learn tomorrow. I mean, on my own, through my own grit, I've learned a lot. But I'm coming in with an open mind. Because I'm not gonna be closed minded and be like, no, you can't teach me nothing anymore. I've learned enough. No, impossible. Trading is a never ending learning experience. You always get better. So any other information that I can get to make me better, I will take it. I will take it. So let's see my progress next week of my trading after trade camp. So, yep, and have fun. That's right. All right, guys. I'll see you Monday. I think, right? Monday we have market opens Monday, right? There's nothing on Monday, right? I think so. Well, I'll see you guys Monday. Let's see how much better I can perform after trade camp. I'm the guinea pig, so you guys will see. All right. Sayonara. Peace.